Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to add a customer or edit a customer on the actual PDA itself whenever you're on the shop floor. So to do that we'll just open up the PDA and it's this section here that I want to talk about. So I click on here. We can now edit a customer or create a customer via this section. So if I click on edit a customer, obviously you can find that customer, but what I'll do, I'll just click on search, click on that one, and as you can see I can actually have a little play around with this one now and actually change any of the details. So they might have changed the email address, so let me just put Hotmail in there, and then once I've changed in the details I literally just go on update customer. Customer is now being updated. Same with create new customer. So if I create a new customer and then click on get new, that gives me a new ID for them, and then I can actually type in someone's details in here when they're actually on the shop floor. So I'll put some details in here, put someone's phone number in there, etc. Then once I'm all happy with all the information I've filled out, I can actually go insert customer. Customer inserted. Now that customer now exists on your database. So if I nip down out and go to edit, and let's go for blogs, and there you have it. So there's the actual customer right there, ready to go. Click on accept. They're straight in the basket, and then obviously you can record any of the details next to them as well. So there you have it. Do hope that's been helpful. Thank you much for watching. Take care, and I'll check it out next time. See you now.